In this video, we will be going over how to troubleshoot common ignition issues on your Coleman Pro Series gas grill. Let's start by testing the ignition button. If you do not hear a continuous clicking sound when pressed, start by replacing the battery with the negative end facing outward and try again. If you still do not hear continuous clicking when pressing the igniter button, another common cause is poorly engaged or disconnected wires. Start by checking the wire connections to the electronic ignition module. To ensure the proper connection, grasp the wires between your thumb and index finger and push in firmly until you feel a click. If all wires are plugged into the electronic ignition module correctly, if you still don't hear a continuous clicking sound, check the two lead wires on the back of the ignition button. Make sure they are pushed in firmly and try the ignition button again. If none of these troubleshooting options have solved your ignition issue, please contact our customer support at 1-800-275-4617